Ultimately, in this industry, with fuel, it's the most demanding for dispatch. And we've been trying to find different solutions and have worked with all of the big box ones, but none of them seem to work. There's a huge demand on dispatch and accuracy, and drivers as well, to accurately track and get everything correct. I've used and implemented and installed, I think, 5 different dispatch solutions at these different companies I've been at over the years. And when we started looking at different solutions, there were a lot of promises out there, but as we spent the time to take it further and learn more, most things that they were promising really had not come to fruition. It was just future solutions that we knew, was not going to happen because of past experience. And heard about Fleet Panda. We spent months and months, crafting it and customizing it for us. And that's been the nice thing, to actually work with Fleet Panda and be able to customize it, both from the dispatch end to reduce entry, to reduce mistakes, to get it to be intuitive, to learn about our customers. I think we had 5 or 6 Fleet Panda team members come out to Eugene when we implemented and rolled it out, to work very closely with dispatch, fuel pricing team on their part of it, to continue to customize it for us, along with train everybody on how to do it, and working with us to see it hands-on, spend time with drivers in the trucks to train them on how to use the phones and use the system, get feedback from the drivers, and day of make updates and improvements that we could see real time. Emailing Fleet Panda like, hey, this doesn't work, can we change it to this? And being able to see that the next day or within a week, and prioritize the improvements that we really need to dial in a system that is very intuitive. And here with Fleet Panda, we get to email all day long, call, and get real-time responses and get involvement to fix issues immediately. Ultimately, to be the dispatch solution that all of our dispatch and drivers work within, don't have to work in the ERP system, and have everything integrated, and future of tank monitor integration. So everything is in Fleet Panda in the future, and we're able to, again, take monitor integration, create orders automatically based on max and mins that we put in there, and do that for DEF, do it for fuel, and do it for lubricants, which is ultimately everything that we deliver across the organization. One of our 2 biggest obstacles to overcome with a new dispatch solution is order to cash, much less handling on the back end once an order is complete by dispatch, because the system has pricing integration into it and can be able to process it immediately. So same day, as soon as the driver completes on his handheld, to be able to complete the transaction all the way with no errors, with pricing, with all additional accessorial fees, and be complete based on the customer profile. And the other big obstacle, challenge that we really focused on, is reducing human error. Everyone knows in this industry, fuel pricing changes on a regular basis. We set up customer profiles to limit the mistakes that dispatch can make, because we're all human, and when you're dealing with over 1,000 transactions, 2,000 interactions per day, we're all human and can make mistakes. And with Fleet Panda, we can really set up customer profiles and limit options that we get for loading, and all of that leads to a much cleaner process on the back end to let everything flow through.